Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB video update for Tuesday 19th of July, and I'm pretty ready for SHIB now. Okay, it's pumping time at the moment, no doubt about it. And I'm just gonna actually say that this is an amazing entry level, and we're looking for maybe some sort of like 2.5% loss to the downside and a nice good pump to the upside of nearly 15%. Okay, so 15-16%, and who knows, you can actually go all the way up for a 50% move to the upside as well. Okay, it's pretty much now the time to move higher, and you do have a little bit of some sort of a bull pennant here. So from there to there, you're looking for that bull pennant, and it's about time you're going to be breaking this bull pennant to continue higher. So from there to there, you're looking for SHIB to actually come up again to this price level here. And I think that actually makes it, there's no need to actually talk about anything else. This to me is pretty much clear. It's about to move higher, and you're going to see SHIB moving up here. It's a trade that I would even recommend you to trade, okay, with the stop loss down here at the 1138. We're at the 1169 at the moment. So amazing. SHIB is pretty amazing right now to continue higher. And that's it for today's update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.